Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're taking a look at the most popular cabin on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, the Sea Terrace. If you love cruising, this is the place for ship tours, news, vlogs, and more, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel with the notification bell turned on. Of the roughly 1,400 passenger cabins on board Scarlet Lady, more than 80% are Sea Terrace cabins. And today we're taking a look at room 11238A, which is a central Sea Terrace cabin located on the port side of the ship. This room has 185 square feet of living space with an additional 40 square feet out on the balcony, which we'll get to in a bit. Unless you're in a suite, cruise ship bathrooms are typically very small, but this shower was actually roomier than I expected. The water pressure was great and the handheld sprayer was very powerful. After seeing pictures online, storage space is something that we were concerned about on Scarlet Lady, but we found that this area proved to be adequate for our 5-day voyage. There's a decent sized safe here as well, and this area has a curtain to help keep everything looking tidy. And I'll go ahead and save you some time. The light switch is right here inside the closet area. You'll find an ice bucket, bottle opener, and glassware on top of the mini fridge. And if you like this sextant-styled bottle opener, it is available for purchase. Now, I've got a lot of gadgets to plug in, so I love when there are plenty of outlets, and this cabin did not disappoint. On each side of the bed, you'll find 2 USB ports and a 110-volt North American outlet. And at the desk area, there are 2 more USB ports, along with another 110-volt outlet and a 220-volt European outlet. The room has a 43-inch 4K TV with Bluetooth connectivity, and you can control just about everything from this tablet, like the temperature and lights. And Virgin even offers several preset cabin moods, like photo shoot for your selfies and Instagram, zen for when you just want to relax, pumped up if you're feeling energetic, hangover for those times when you just want some peace and quiet, and get it on for, well, you know. You can also use the tablet to control the TV and select from a wide range of movies and TV shows if you just want to chill out in the cabin. And if you need anything from your cabin attendant, like ice or fresh towels, service is just one touch away. One of the neat things that your cabin attendants can do for you is transform your room from a bedtime retreat to a casual hangout spot. All you have to do is ask. And as cool as this cabin is, nothing beats that cool sea breeze as you're relaxing in your balcony hammock or enjoying an ocean sunrise or sunset. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Virgin Voyages Sea Terrace cabin on board the Scarlet Lady, and if you did, please make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments about the ship or cabin, please leave them below or shoot us an email at thecruiseworld@gmail.com. And remember, life is short, cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.